Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We have a 2022 Sandpiper Destination 399 loft. Just arrived today. Solid entry steps on a patio door. What's nice is these steps remove real easy in case you have a deck already built around your unit. Have a second entrance for the private bedroom, outside speakers, power awning with LED accent lighting. Table and chairs. This has the no leg, so lots of room for your legs. Recliners. Hide-a-bed couch. Fireplace, soundbar, flat screen TV. 4-burner cooktop range oven. And this is what's called 3D cooking. It's got a fan in the back. Very cool. You can cook about anything you want in there. Island kitchen sink. Pantry. Very cool ceiling fan. LG refrigerator freezer. With ice maker. Sandpiper self-closing cabinet doors. This is our shower area. Lots of room here. Our loft. And our master bedroom. King bed, accent lighting, room for the TV, more shelving, closet with washer dryer prep, or if you don't want that, lots of hanging space. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.